Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm getting ready to air fry some naked catfish. I'm trying to eat healthier, so I hope this naked fish tastes good. Because, I like to bread my fish, and breading ain't good for diabetics. So I'm trying my best. Let me show you what kind of bread I've been eating. My daughter told me about this lavash bread. It only has, how many carbs? It has 8 grams of carbohydrates per half a flat bread. You see, this is big. So you cut in half, and then you get the 8 grams of carbohydrates. So I bought this from Walmart. I was looking for something called naan bread. I couldn't find it. So my daughter, she recommended this. And I like it. So as you can see, I got one cut in half in here. Because when I make hamburgers, I prefer some kind of bread on my hamburger as opposed to lettuce, lettuce wrap. So what I'm doing now is towel blotting the catfish that I've rinsed off. Yes, I always rinse just about all my meats I buy, except for hamburger, stuff like that. But you can't rinse off cube steak because it'll disintegrate. Okay, so I'm gonna bring y'all over here and show y'all what I'm gonna season it with. Okay. I'll be using my CheFavor grill and air fryer, and I will be using the air fryer basket. I put foil down below the basket. Plug it in. And we'll set it, turn it on. Set it for air fry for 120 minutes. That's fine. Come on now. So it's preheating right now, and I'm turning this at an angle so the hot air is not blowing right into my outlet where I have it plugged in. Okay. So I'm gonna start with some yellow mustard. Come on. A nice sweet. I'm going to put some pepper. Y'all know I like pepper. It's hard for me not to bread this. I'm trying to change my eating habits. I'm putting on some Italian seasoning. Come on. Just another layer of flavor. Some sunshine seasoning. No salt. And more jollof rice seasoning. Okay, I want it to be well seasoned. Y'all know me. I don't want to put a glove on. Look at these gloves from Dollar Tree. You get 100 for $1.25. And I put a rubber band on my wrist to keep the glove on. Else this glove will come off. This is flimsy. But it gets the job done. Okay. And I'm going to smush all this. See that? And this fish is pan cut for frying. So it's just 5 pieces in here. I'm going to have salad with it. Okay. I'll put some more seasoning because I want it heavily seasoned. I think I want some red pepper on it. Where is it? I just want the plain red pepper. I don't want the big grains. What is this? Okay, cayenne pepper. Cayenne. That's a lot. I think I only air fried naked fish one other time. I mean, it was okay because I like it breaded. Walter said it was really, really good. I like my breading. Okay. You know what? Lemon pepper will work on fish. You can plan on it. Come on now. This is the Kingsford lemon pepper, all-purpose seasoning, Caribbean citrus with a kick. Okay, that's what I want, a kick. Ooh, that's a lot, because this has salt in it. I'm trying to cut down on my sodium content. Okay, that's good. Take this off. Do I need to spray this? I'm not sure. I don't want my fish to stick. Put the skin side down. Where's the skin? I can't see it. I'm not sure if it needs the oil or not. Okay. I'm going to watch it. And pretty soon this will light up, so I'll be able to see how it's doing. I'll have to keep opening it. So I will be back. Okay, I can see the light just came on. And this particular air fryer has a top and bottom heating element. Okay. But it works exactly like the Ninja Foodie extra large grill, except this has the bottom element too. And this is how the catfish looks. It's almost done. There's 2 more minutes. This is the CheFavor grill and air fryer. I like it a lot because it has a top and bottom heating element, and the light comes on so you can see what's going on in there without lifting the lid. letting the hot air out. Okay, it's about ready. I'm gonna show y'all my salad. Got a nice big old salad waiting for me. I got carrots, lettuce, bell pepper, jalapeno slices, onion, cheese, and French dressing, and red cabbage. I got a couple triangles of the lavash bread, very low in carbs. Let me show y'all. This is it. And a half of a slice is how many carbs? Let me see. Half a slice is 8 grams. So I got a fourth of a slice. That's a fourth of a slice. That's 4 grams. It's supposed to be high in omega-3. Okay, my air fryer is calling me. This is my meal. I put a little hot sauce on the fish. So, okay, I'm giving it a taste test to see if I'll be fixing more naked catfish. Just a tad bit crispy, just a little bit. Fish didn't even need the hot sauce. It's well seasoned. You get this. Why is it spicy? Well, I put the cayenne pepper on it. It's good. I taste all these seasonings. I'm about to go get my eat on while my fish is still hot. See this thing? So, I like it. I like it. I ain't got to have breading on everything. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye. Bon appetit.